I'm Josh with Supply and Demand, and we're going to do easy repairs of a Hisense fridge. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver for this repair. Before we get started, let's go over some important safety information. Start with the corner of the gasket. It should pull away as you peel it. Do this for all four corners and sides. We're going to replace the old gasket with a supply and demand refrigerator freezer drawer gasket. This gasket has a simple tongue and groove construction. Simply start with the corner and press it until it's flush with the rest of the door. Do this for all four corners and sides. To replace the freezer door, lift and tilt the door downwards and slide the hooks back into the brackets on the lower track. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, replace the screws on both sides of the track.